stay here and not talk.
Oh, that battery's gone. Are you serious?
Can I have a go?
Yeah, quickly. No, no, not near any people. We've got no power in it. That battery's about to go pop.
It's so fast.
Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. It's dying, it's dying, it's dying, it's dying. I can hear it. Real.
Yeah, that's dying.
Battery's gone. Stopped to sell. No, don't carry on, mate. It's going to blow up. That battery could catch fire. That would be expensive. I don't want it to burn this thing down. That sucks.
What are we going to do now?
Tomorrow, mate, really. I can't film it anymore. I believe that battery's dead. We can confirm, but I'm pretty sure it's gone. It was on charge for half hour. It's got nothing in it.
Did it first.
What?
Did it first.
Yeah, but it dried.